Includes 2 right side and 2 left side chrome-plated brackets for mounting on the valve covers, 2 4-hole wire looms, 6 2-hole looms, 2 4-hole wire separators, and 2 2-hole separators. Package dimensions: 2.794 hx 15.494 L by 22.606 W centimeters. Fit type: universal fit. Package weight: 0.3 pounds. Super Loom kit: 7 to 9 mm, Incl. 2 to 4-hole wire looms, 6 to 2-hole looms, 2 to 4-hole wire separators, 2 to 2-hole separators, 2 right side and 2 left side chrome-plated brackets, black. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install and helps keep wires off of headers. I made my own spark plug wires and these made them look perfectly routed. Using on my '67 Chevelle with a 396